Hello students, today we will discuss about refining of metals or purification of metals. Now, while discussing this refining of metals, in first part we will discuss about definition, then conditions. In second part we will discuss about electrolytic refining of metal, and in third part we will discuss about the example of electrolytic refining of metal. So let us start the first part of refining of metal, that is its definition. The metals obtained by reduction of ore are generally found in impure state. Such impure metals are called as crude metals. The crude metals therefore need purification. So whatever the metals which are obtained by reduction of ore, these metals are not in pure state or in pure form, but these metals are in impure form, and such metals are called as crude metals. And to use these metals for any particular purpose, its purification is needed. So how we can define this refining of metal? The process of purifying the crude metal to get pure metal is called as refining of metal or purification of metal. So this is the definition of refining of metal. Then the method of purification or refining depends on two conditions. First condition, the nature of metal to be purified, and second, types of impurities present in the metal. So these are the two conditions. By considering these two conditions, we have to select the method of purification or method of refining. Then after that we will discuss about second part, that is electrolytic refining of metal. This method works on the principle of electrolysis. So the basic principle of electrolysis is applied in this electrolytic refining method. And what is this electrolytic refining? It is the process of purification of metal by electrolysis. That is called as electrolytic refining. Right? Now, in this electrolytic refining of metal, here a large block of impure metal is made as anode and a thin sheet of pure metal is made as cathode. A suitable metal salt solution is made as an electrolyte. So in this electrolytic refining method, a large block of impure metal, it acts as anode. A thin sheet of pure metal, it acts as cathode, and a metal salt solution is used as an electrolyte. On passing electric current, pure metal deposits on the cathode sheet, while some of the impurities are left in solution and other noble impurities settle below the anode as anode mud. The metals like gold, chromium, copper, silver, nickel, aluminium, zinc, lead, etc. can be refined or purified by this process. So when electric current is passed, then pure metal get deposited on the cathode and some of the impurities that may be left in the solution and some other impurities which are called as noble impurities. These are settled below the anode as anode mud. And the metals like gold, it may be chromium, then silver, copper, nickel, aluminum, zinc, lead, etc. that can be refined by this method. Now in third part, we'll discuss about example of electrolytic refining of metal, and that is electrolytic refining of copper. During the electrolytic refining of copper, a thin block of impure copper is made as anode and a thin plate of pure copper is made as cathode by connecting it with negative terminal of DC source. Here 15% aqueous copper sulfate solution is used as an electrolyte. So this is the diagram of electrolytic refining of copper. Now in this diagram, here block of crude copper acts as anode and thin copper plates acts as cathode. Now these two electrodes, these are connected to the DC source. Here 15% copper sulfate solution is used as electrolyte. So this is the simple diagram for the electrolytic refining of copper. On passing electric current, following reactions takes place. So the first reaction, copper ions from copper sulfate solution go to the cathode, that is negative electrode, where they are reduced to copper and get deposited on the cathode. So the reaction that takes place at cathode is copper ions. These copper ions gains 2 electrons from cathode and these copper ions are get reduced to copper and this copper deposit on the cathode. So at cathode reduction takes place. Now the reaction that takes place at the anode, copper of impure anode forms copper ions and these copper ions go into solution of electrolyte. So the reaction that takes place at anode, so this is the copper from anode. This copper loses 2 electrons and this copper is converted into copper ions and these copper ions go into the solution. So the reaction that takes place at anode, that is oxidation. Hence the net result is transfer of pure copper from anode to cathode. Impurities like zinc, iron, etc. go into solution, while noble impurities like gold, silver are left behind as anode mud. So dear students, here two reactions takes place. One reaction that takes place at cathode, that is reduction. Another reaction that takes place at the anode, that is oxidation. Right. So here pure copper that get transferred from anode to cathode. The other methods used for refining of metals are liquefaction, zone refining, Van Arkel, etc. These are the other methods which are used for refining of metals or purification of metals. So all this about refining of metal or purification of metal. Thanks.